how to cut out photos from your pictures and save it differently on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how you can do that. Firstly, tap on Photos. Now go to your desired picture and long press on your picture. After you're done with it, tap on the option called Copy. Now, go and share this picture in any social media you want, or kindly go to the Note app and paste it. After you're done pasting it, long press on the picture again and tap on the Share option. In this option, you can see there's an option called Save Image. Tap on it and it will automatically save the picture you want on your gallery. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.